Hey guys, so if you want to reset your Oral-B IO toothbrush, how you're gonna do it is you can just like reset the handle by holding the on and off button for 10 seconds. So this is the first thing that you can try. Another thing is that where you're gonna have your IO like a base, or what you can do is just simply press and hold the button on the base for 5 to 10 seconds if you're gonna find it there. So that's what you want to do, and just like you can reset the handle by holding the on and off button for 10 seconds and it should do it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video provided at least a bit of value, what you can do and what you can try to do for you to work. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.